my shoulders down, my head up, my frame locked, stay on my toes. What if I forget the steps?
Pull up, watch your frame, and remember, let him lead you.
I'm afraid I'm gonna forget to spike, get dizzy, and fall on my face. No, don't look at my feet. Keep my head up, my eyes open, tension in my arms, my frame locked, see, pulled up.
Thanks, baby. But I just want you to know that I don't sleep around. Whatever Robbie might have told you. And I thought that he loved me. I thought it was something special. Anyway, I just wanted you to know that.
So how does it look?
Scared? I'm so scared, babe.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
On a spooky new episode of Party Down South,
We're actually standing in one of the most haunted buildings in the city.
the gang goes on a ghost hunt.
This is where Stark was killed.
This is creepy.
Girls are all freaked out because they heard something. It was probably my stomach. I've had to poo since we got here.
But will the ghost follow them home?